Hi, I'm Jack from Volcann, and this is a new unique product that we design and manufacture in the UK. So it's a chimney, it has storage for logs, it also has a pizza oven, and it also gives the option to have a barbecue on top, which we'll show you later in the video. So it comes fully with a pizza stone in the top, so we put a pizza in there. It takes 6 minutes to cook actually, it come out amazing, which you'll see. The front door, we took it off for this shot, but we did cook it with the door shut. It just lifts on and off, it's very simple design. The chimney does come off, slots on and off very easily. It is made from steel and it's left bare, so it will rust and get a nice patina, which I'll show you at the end. Look at that pizza come out fantastic. There you go. And also, so once you remove the chimney, you can add these grill tops, which are supplied with two stainless, one's a grill top and one's a flat tray, so for bacon or eggs. So you can put that on top. You could even be cooking a pizza and barbecuing at the same time. So we feel it's a very unique product, and we made many prototypes of it, and this come out amazing in the end, and it worked fantastic. I think it will even last a lifetime. It's made from 2mm steel and it's pretty much bomb proof, and it comes with an ashtray at the bottom, log store. It's all you need for a whole garden cooking event this summer. So like I said, it does get a rusty patina over time being left outside, and this is one that's been outside for a year now. If you want to delay this process or make it different, you can apply linseed oil or put it away in the winter.